Are your notifications not working for Facebook? So there's two things we can do here. So the first thing is to go into your Facebook and hit the three lines at the top left-hand corner, and you just want to go into your settings. So go into your settings and privacy and click settings. And from here, you want to go down to preferences and notifications. So here is many settings that you can have with certain notifications that are turned on and off. So go ahead and go through. I'm just going to hit comments here and just make sure that they're tailored to what you want as far as where you receive the notifications. Make sure they're turned off because you can be getting things, but you're not notified. So you want to make sure that these are specifically turned on to what your needs are. After you go through here and you're happy with what you're doing, you can come back out of Facebook. And we're going to make our way to our settings, and we're going to X out of here. Go ahead to your app section on your first settings page at the very bottom. And we're going to go ahead and type in Facebook. So once we're here at the Facebook, we're going to go ahead and go into notifications. And what you're going to see here is the iPhone's notification center for Facebook. So it's Facebook's settings, your iPhone settings. So as long as these are turned on, you're going to get your notifications through Facebook. And that way you can get the notification settings as well from Facebook also. So there's two things you can do. They're both very simple to do. You can also reroute to your Facebook notification settings from here as well. But once those are turned on, you should be good to go and have no problem with this. The only thing I suggest to do if it's still not working is to log out and log back into your Facebook, just in case you have to restart the app. But that should be it. It's very simple and very straightforward.